You ever noticed how almost everyone talks about cars the same way? Horsepower numbers, 0 to 60 times, luxury features. But nobody actually explains why cars are the way they are. Why some engines last forever. Why some cars feel cheap. Why one transmission feels smooth and another feels terrible. And the craziest part is, I spent years working around cars and I realized something that honestly shocked me. There aren't many channels breaking this stuff down in a simple way. So I decided I'm gonna do it myself. Hey, my name is, well, actually, most of my friends don't even call me by my real name anymore. They call me GearHead. And yeah, I guess the name stuck. Because for as long as I can remember, I've been obsessed with how machines work. Not just driving cars, understanding them, taking things apart, looking at parts and asking, why did engineers design it this way? I didn't start as some YouTube expert. I started where a lot of car people start. Hands dirty, confused customers, broken parts, real problems. I've seen engines blown because of tiny mistakes. I've seen transmissions fail just because someone skipped maintenance. I've seen people buy cars they thought were good deals and regret it months later. And every time something like that happened, I kept thinking the same thing. Man, if people actually understood cars better, they wouldn't make these mistakes. One day, I was watching videos online looking for explanations about a specific car problem, and I noticed something. Most videos were either too technical or too basic. There was almost nothing in the middle. Nothing that explained how things work, why they work, and what it means for you in a way regular people could understand. And that's when it hit me. Maybe this is what I'm supposed to do. So this channel is about one simple idea. Every car has a story, and I'm here to decode it. We're going to talk about why some engines are legendary, why some cars fail early, why maintenance matters more than brand, why certain designs are genius and why others are terrible, and most importantly, how all of this affects you, your money, your decisions, your ownership experience. I'm not here to show off. I'm not here to flex cars, and I'm definitely not here to pretend I know everything. I'm here because I genuinely love this stuff, and I've spent years around it, learning, messing up, fixing things, figuring things out the hard way. And if I can take all that knowledge and save you time, money, and mistakes, that's worth it to me. Now, you might notice something different about this channel. Yeah, I'm animated. There's a reason for that. Because this character is basically the version of me that lives in my head. Curious, excited, always asking questions, always wanting to break things down visually. When I explain cars, I don't just want to talk, I want to show you, visualize concepts, make complicated things feel simple. So the animation isn't just style, it's a tool to help you understand better. This channel is for you if you want to buy a car someday, or you already own one. If you love engineering, if you're curious how machines work, if you don't want to get scammed by mechanics, if you want your car to last longer, or you just enjoy learning new things. You don't need to be a car expert, you just need curiosity. I'm not claiming to be the smartest person in the world, but I do know this. Cars are not magic, they're systems. And once you understand the systems, everything makes more sense. Why something broke, why something costs money, why one car feels better than another. Knowledge removes confusion, and confusion is expensive. Cars are one of the biggest purchases most people make, sometimes second only to a house. And yet, people often buy them with very little understanding. That shouldn't be normal. You deserve to know what you're spending money on. You deserve to understand what you own. You deserve confidence. That's what this channel is about. We're going to cover things like why Toyota engines are so reliable, why some cars lose value fast, how transmissions actually work, turbo versus naturally aspirated, what mileage is too high, why maintenance matters more than brand, cheap cars that last forever, and engineering secrets manufacturers don't advertise. Some videos will save you money, some will make you smarter, some will just be fascinating. Think of me like that friend who knows cars, the one you call before buying something, the one you ask, hey, is this a good deal? Except now, I'm on YouTube. So if you like cars, if you want to understand them, if you want to make better decisions, you're in the right place. Subscribe. Join the journey. And yeah, my friends call me GearHead. You can call me that too, because every car has a story. And together, we're going to decode it.